The machine was purchased in 1908.
New, of course, when Papa bought it.
I dare say it was the first typewriting machine brought into Jefferson County.
Probably the only one.
It was on this machine that Papa composed a letter to Mr. Woodrow Wilson, telling him how to save the League of Nations.
Mr. Wilson was born in Stanton, you know. Papa knew him quite well.
In 1920, Papa wrote a series of brilliant letters to the editor of the New York Times protesting the 18th Amendment.
Was that the one that gave us ladies the right to vote, sister?
No, it's the one prohibiting the right to sell alcoholic beverages. Papa was quite concerned.
Has anybody tried using it lately?
Oh, we were never taught how.
Miss Mamie? Miss Emily? I don't suppose that... I mean... You would never consider lending the typewriter.
To whom?
Me.
John boy, we're very fond of you and know that you've been raised responsibly. We do know that, don't we, Mamie?
Indeed. However, a chapter of Virginia history was recorded on this machine, and it ought properly to be housed in a museum. Was there someone you wanted to show it to?
No, ma'am, I had in mind using it. See, they wouldn't accept my story in longhand.
Well, might one venture to ask what the story is about?
Well, it's about my family, mostly. About how I went looking for my daddy one Christmas time and stopped here on the way and had a little recipe and...
You mentioned the recipe in the story?
Yes, ma'am, I hope you don't mind.
Why, of course we don't mind. Why, everybody in the whole world should know about the recipe.
How dare those magazine people turn down a story about the recipe?
Oh, Yankees, probably.
Yes, ma'am, New York people.
Now, am I to understand, John boy, that these treacherous Yankees might be persuaded to accept your story about the recipe if it were typewritten?
I think it would stand a better chance of it.
What would the judge say, Mamie?
Well, I believe the judge would say that nothing is more important than the nurturing of artistic endeavor.
I can just hear him saying it. He had such an authoritative voice.
Does this mean that...